Hi guys, I hope you're well since last video. So this time we're gonna see this model here in Photopea and see how we can work around it. This model has been created using AI. It's a bit scary baby at the moment, but it's gonna become a bit better and better. But here I wanted just to show you how to get rid of the background, because there's some nice features in Photopea giving you the ability to get rid of the background. So here we got this baby here. We have the background which is green. There's the floor. You see the face is not yet perfect. But what we want to keep is all the body of this little kid and get rid of what is just behind. And there's an easy way to do that. So just let's make sure that we have the right layer. Okay, this is the right layer. Let's just put it at the center. And now we're gonna press and select and use the option Magic Cut. So here is the model on the right side. That's what we're aiming to have is to get only the kid on the right side, so without any part of the background, but not missing his arm like now, or his hair. And we're gonna use the green and the red colors here on the top left. Magic Cut green and red features to just say, just tell to the software what we want to keep and what we want to get rid of. So here we want the hair. You see the hair is a bit darker, there's more light in the other side, so we just select spots. We want also the pens. We can erase with the gray color. Here, this part also, we want to get rid of it, so we're just going to put some red here. Make sure the color are not overlapping. You'll get a message telling you to erase with gray, but you can just use it like that also. You see, we just got rid of the background on the right side. There's still a little part missing. Yes, here we are. So that's what we wanted to have. After that, you still need to do some little touch here and there. But you can change the background and so have a black background. This can help you to see the different spots where there's some imperfections, so you'll work on that after. I'll give you some tips on how to work on that. We're just gonna take this layer without any background. You can also use the raster mask or the selection option, just a new layer. Now we got our layer, so just let's compare what we had before. This is what we had before, this is what we have now. You can see, just got rid of the background. Not yet perfect, but that's an easy way to get rid of the background if you have some work to do, and it's pretty smart feature. After that, you can use also a green background, get the coloring just to see all the imperfections and work on those. So working directly on this layer, adding this green color at the back, you can see all the different imperfections. See, it's still empty, but you won't be able to use it from this layer. So what I suggest you to do is maybe to create a new layer. Just let's get rid of this color here. Let's go back. Okay, we're just going to create a new layer here, and we're gonna put this color into that layer, the green color. Just put it down. Okay, so now it's on the background, and you can see here there's a little spot here that we can maybe try to get rid of. What can I use? Okay, this is not the right tool. This is a spot healing brush tool, so let me just just delete that. this was a little video to show you that. Just let's see about this kind of imperfections. You can use the fill feature. So same, you go around it. So we use the fill feature with the content aware option turned on. And after we're gonna go in edit, fill content aware, normal blend. And you see it's really quick to process because it's a small area, and you can't make the difference now from far away. Okay, hope that you like it. If you like it, don't hesitate to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.